how to change shirt color in Canva. So first, go to Canva and then just open up a blank design like this one, and then let's just go to elements here and then search for a shirt. Okay, like this one. Let's go to photos and then let's just select an example here. So let's say I'm going to change the color of this shirt to black. So here, what I do is you'll need to have a Canva Pro here. So you just need to click on the shirt and then click on edit here, and then click on the magic edit, and then click on click here, and then Canva will automatically select the area which area you're going, or you can edit. So now here you can just select both the t-shirt here and then just describe what you're going to do. So let's say change the color of the shirts to black. Okay, then click on generate, and then Canva will automatically generate a black shirt. Okay, and then you can just select which one you're going to use. Let's say I'm going to use this one, then click on done, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.